Today we're talking about a fascinating Spanish coin, the 500 pesetas, from 1989. This coin is not only a piece of currency history, but also a collector's item that stands out. Minted in 1989, this bimetallic coin features King Juan Carlos I on the obverse and a beautiful coat of arms of Spain on the reverse. It's got a unique design, with a gold-colored aluminum bronze center and a copper-nickel outer ring. This was one of the first bimetallic coins used in Spain, before the euro was introduced in 2002. It's large, about 25.5 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 9.25 grams. It definitely feels solid in your hand. Now what about the value? If your coin is in circulated condition, it's worth around 1 to 3 euros. But if you have a BU or proof version, it can fetch up to 10 or even 15 euros, especially if it's in a collector's set. Fun fact, this was the last year Spain used the 500 pesetas coin in this design, before updating it with a new style in the 90s. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your coin collecting friends. Your support helps me bring you more awesome coin stories from around the world.